forms every moment, bringing treasures designed especially for you. As of now, 2025 arrived. Let's not fear the passage of time or the idea of getting older. The only fear worth holding is the fear of not truly living. What if we waste the resources we have been given, our time, health, knowledge, and wealth? Let's be more afraid of not striving to become our best selves, of not being of service to others, or of not embracing life fully with open arms. Let's refuse to remain hidden in dark corners, stuck in our comfort zones, with nothing meaningful to show for it in the end except regrets. Be more afraid of not loving unconditionally, not making peace with your circumstances, and endlessly chasing the unknown while neglecting what you already have. What if we let the fear rob us of the joy of smiling back at life?